Hello, Pumas! We're going to show you how to sign up for student support. So you're going to go to Infinite Campus and click Campus Student. You'll see your classes on the right. And on the left, you'll see right underneath schedule, responsive schedule. You're going to click. And at the top, you'll see that there's a responsive period, and that's the date that you're going to select to make sure you pick your student support. You have your list of teachers, the course name, the description, and the room number, and you're going to pick the one that you need most. You're going to click it, and then you are going to make sure you save it. And by doing that, you're going to click Save right here on the bottom, and in the upper right corner, you'll see that success. When you see that success, you're good. Make sure you sign up for the other day that we have student support for the week. Look at the teachers, look at the courses, look at the room numbers, and then pick the one you need to be in. You're going to click Save and Success. Now you are logged in to be in that student support. If you have any questions, you can contact Mrs. Lamondo or me, Mrs. Brizik, at the office. Thank you. Bye.